The plant at Campo d'Arcego has three main production areas: mechanical processing, assembly and painting. Here we are in the mechanical processing area, where our production process starts. In this area, processing takes place to remove chips and shavings, which are operations where the material changes shape because a harder tool is used, which removes the excess material. In this department, there are around 50 machine tools, including lathes, boring machines, drilling machines and cogging machines. The machines work on a continuous cycle, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to guarantee maximum productivity in a high-intensity capital area. In other words, in order for an investment in very costly machines to be financially viable, the machines should be used as extensively as possible. In particular, this area houses machines for processing the beams, which are the load-bearing element of the entire axle. Special machine tools for processing beams are located at the factory entrance. These are special because they are not available on the market, but are designed and built by Carraro in order to make processing more efficient and cost-effective. Commercial machine tools are located on the right of the corridor. With a commercial machine, a beam is processed more or less in 40 to 50 minutes. With special machines, it takes around 10-12 minutes, as several operating heads are used working at the same time. A latest generation machine can even produce a beam every 7 minutes, for a total of 200 beams a day. This machine has an automatic loader, 7 numerical controls, which are 7 computers that manage operations, and a piece control station to guarantee product quality.